Okay.
Just do it right now since it's recording. This is our test run. I'll act like I didn't have one of those yet. You're just counting yourself down.
Hey guys,
You can't be
welcome to
eating.
Hey guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. This is my YouTube channel. My name's Iggy, and today I'm gonna do a video with a very special guest, Jelena.
Hello.
You wanna say? Hola.
Hola.
Today we're gonna be doing the what is it called? A mukbang.
Mukbang. I'm trying Mexican candy for the first time.
So I bought like different types of candy, and she's gonna try some, see how she likes them. She's gonna rate them from 1 to 10. So first up we have the tamalito. Have you had a tamalito?
No, it looks like a little mini tamale.
It is. It's
It is.
tamarindo.
This one looks fun. Like, I like the wrapper. So basic. I don't know what's going on.
I think you'll like it.
Oh. Oh, a big bite.
Do you like? Do you like it or no? You can spit it out if you don't like it.
No, I like it. It's a lot.
Rate it from 1 to 10. I honestly don't really like these. But
I'd
it's
probably
like,
give it like a 7.
A 7.
Like, I like the flavors. I just don't really see myself like munching on this often.
Alright, next up we have the Lucas. Lucas.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
I've seen people talk about these.
I dropped one.
Are these pretty popular?
Yeah, I think so. I don't like them, they're like sour.
Cleanse my palate.
How do you even oh you just like open it and squirt it in your mouth.
You squirt it in your mouth.
Push it.
I'm scared.
What to 10? Rate it.
Why do people eat these for fun?
It's red. Sweet.
Why do people eat these?
I don't know, people just like them. These are called, I don't know what they're called.
Wait, I have to rate
yeah.
that one.
Huh?
Gotta give me time to rate.
Oh, true.
trying to-
Rate it from 1 to 10.
Get my flavors going, you know? I'd rate that one, you know,
Shit.
a 4.
Okay. These are called, read it.
Oh god.
I'm confused.
Lluvia de arcoiris.
Lluvia de arcoiris. They're huge, so
They're like,
pick one. You can just like rip it off.
are they all the same? Like,
Yeah.
what?
These don't taste like shit. They really don't. What the fuck?
I feel like these are like those things that you put the frosting in between.
I feel like, yeah, you can do that.
Do
but
people
it
like
tastes
eat these
peop-
with anything or
Just like that.
why?
I mean, they don't taste like anything, but I would.
How is this 100 calories? Where? Where are they? What's this made out of?
I have no clue.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, probably give these a 2.
They don't taste like anything. Okay. Like,
Alright.
we have tamarindos. These are like sour and like they have like little. You know what? No, yeah, with chile. That's chile.
It's hard.
You don't chew it, you just suck on it. Do you like it?
It's like great.
Okay, man. Para que vayan y compren. Do you like it? It is like your favorite one of all. Okay, next we have the revolcaditas. I don't know what the fuck these are called. They're chile, watermelon, and mango with chili, so that's probably good.
No.
See, candy.
I would never expect it.
Like, yeah. say?
Let me get to the milk. Then you rush me.
They taste like these. And
This is good. And then I'm gonna make her try some.
read it.
Picachones.
Picachones. Picachones. Have you had it? No.
No. I think I've had. You didn't even bring it. It was like. What? What is this?
It's pig.
What cold?
Is it really?
This actually? Oh. No, yeah. No, it's not.
Oh, those are very salty though.
Es tu primera vez tratando estos dulces? So, sugar.
What? Well, no, it was all really good. It was all very like chili.
Is there more candy? Okay, we finished all the candy. So out of all of them, which one was your favorite? And why?
Oh wait, you didn't get that one in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the masapan. And last, the masapan. You're gonna like that one. This is peanut butter. Okay guys, well we finished all the candy. That's gonna be it for the first video. I hope you guys liked it.
Your social media.
Oh shit. Follow me on my social media, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna leave her media so you guys can follow her. Yeah. Say your Instagram. Do you know your username?
Follow me on the gram, Xjalina. Not.